what's up? My name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora beauty director. Today, I am going to be talking to you about my fine hair, and although it's fine, it is still fine. I love my hair. It's, a little fine. You got to put in a little bit more work, but I'm going to show you my routine, some of my tips and tricks that really help to add that volume to get that va-va-voom that you might be looking for. So let's jump in. So first up is a pre-wash. I think a lot of people forget about using a pre-wash or don't know what a pre-wash is. I really like to incorporate it in my routine because I feel like it's a super easy way to add a little extra TLC without putting in too much extra effort. So this is from Fable & Mane, and this is the Holy Roots Pre-Wash Hair Treatment Oil. Fable & Mane was inspired by ancient Indian hair secrets, one of which was ashwagandha, which is a natural adaptogen that really helps to strengthen the hair. You've probably heard of it in skincare too, and your scalp, your hair, you got to take care of it the same way you do your skin. So I think about my hair care like my skincare. It's the same thing. So the way that I use this is super simple. I'll just part my hair down the middle the night before I'm going to wash my hair in the morning. I'll use about a full dropper for my hair, but you'll saturate your scalp and your roots and you'll kind of work it in, and then you'll work it to your mid-lengths and through the ends. I let it sit overnight and then wash in the morning, but if you just want to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, that's okay too. So this might be my new favorite part of any of my routines because it just feels so good. This one's from Briogeo, and it's the Scalp Revival Stimulating Therapy Massager. It's awesome. When I was a kid, they had those scalp massagers, the metal little claw that you would go like this, and you just sit there for hours and it felt so. This does the same thing. It feels so nice, but what's cool is that it actually has these little rubber points, and so when you're going in, it's really soft and it feels good, but it helps to work product into your scalp. You can do it without product as well, just to kind of help the circulation of your scalp, which will help promote growth and all that good stuff. But I love to use it along with something like my Fable & Mane hair oil, because once I pop that on, I can just zone out for a moment, really work it in, and I just feel like it gets the job done even better. Okay, next comes the shampoo and conditioner. So from Way, this is the Fine Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. If you're not using a shampoo and conditioner where fine hair was taken into consideration, if you don't know that, you should probably find one where it is and you know that, because all of the work that you do to add volume and dimension and lift to your fine hair can go right out the door if you use a shampoo and conditioner that's just going to weigh it down. There's not really much that you can do. So I've been loving these ones. They also have biotin in both of them, which really helps promote the strength of your hair and growth. So all around, if you have fine hair, I would check something like this out. These have been in my routine and I've been loving them. I know the topic of washing your hair and how often you wash your hair is a hot topic on social media and everywhere. Personally, I wash my hair once a week. I find that is plenty. If I overwash it, it tends to overproduce oil and get more greasy. So that's my journey with my hair wash. I say 1-2 times per week is probably great for fine hair. The last one I'm really excited about. This is a newer brand at Sephora, but I've heard a lot of buzz. It's Vegamore, and this is the Grow Hair Serum for thinning hair. I know a lot of us are concerned about thinning hair. When you look at the internet, I feel like there's so many conversations about it, and I totally get it. As someone with fine hair, I'm definitely looking to try and prevent thinning, and that might be something that's on your mind too. A serum like this is awesome to incorporate into your routine because it does that work for you. What I think is great to know about this serum is 1, it's vegan and clean at Sephora. 2, it's great for all hair types and textures. And 3, how to use it. So the way that I use this is after I wash my hair with my shampoo and my conditioner, I'll get out of the shower. This can be applied to wet or dry hair. Since I only wash my hair 1 time per week, roughly, I'll usually do this when my hair is damp coming out of the shower, but otherwise, when I have not washed, I'll just apply it to dry hair. So you can do it either way. Same as my Holy Roots, I'm just going to take a dropper full or as much as you need for your hair, and then you'll just drop that on the top of your hair towards your scalp and kind of work it into your scalps and roots. It does not make your hair greasy. That was my first thought. I was like, you want me to put this on my dry hair every day? isn't it gonna make it greasy? Aren't I need to wash it? Isn't it gonna weigh down my fine hair? It totally doesn't. And you can do it on dry hair or wet hair, like I said. All right, well, I hope that if you have fine hair, you learned something new and that one of these work out for you. Let me know in the comments below if you have any tips and tricks for me and my routine, because I am an open book and I love to learn. I'll be in the comments responding back. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more like this. And until next time, I'll see you later.